So okra goes on the vine. Charred and smoked okra is like amazing to me. I like the purple okra. Sometimes they have it at Joseph Field's farm on Johns Island. I love the Joseph Field's farm. Like, I'm there. Like, here's what the inside looks like. As you can see, it's like kind of slimy, the inside. Usually the more you cook it down, the more slimy it's gonna get. I'm gonna smoke them, and then we're gonna add them in last, and then quickly like saute them so that they don't get too slimy. I don't know if y'all are familiar with like egusi stew. It's basically okra soup, just that the okra is cooked down a little bit more. Pretty dramatic bias, like that. I'm gonna smoke the okra. I'm gonna sear all that off in the pan, get it brown. I think it's like you know how like some vegetable or most vegetables extrude like liquid in water? It's the water content in the okra. Okra is really good to hydrate with. I don't know if y'all have heard of okra water. It literally is when you put okra in it's like chia seed water. Put the okra in some water, shake it up, let it sit, and the water literally just congeals and it's like slimy. It's like, imagine tapioca, but water. So usually okra soup has seafood in it. So shrimp. My great-grandmother used to put crawfish or whatever she had left in the freezer. But today we're just doing it with sausage. But yeah, it usually has shrimp and or crawfish, okra. It's tomato-based soup, so tomatoes, obviously, bell peppers, onions, garlic. I think I'm going to take this one out of the casing. I already cut it, and then I'm gonna smoke those. It was free game. Medium, large dice. I'm gonna render off the bacon a little bit. So it's getting a nice color. Onion, like a really small dice.
That's some strong garlic.
It is. Sweat the onions a little bit. I want a little color on the onions, not much. Alright, so now I'm gonna add in the sausage we took out of the casing. This is chicken and beef. It doesn't have to be like bite-sized chunks, but like some pretty good sized chunks. I'm gonna turn the heat back on. It's so easy to just put it in the smoker or put it in the pan and eat it with some bread and some mustard. But it's pretty versatile. The onions look good. I'm gonna add in the tomato and garlic and just kind of like cook this down nice and slow. I'm gonna season the sausage with thyme and paprika and a little pepper for right now. Paprika, thyme, dried thyme, and pepper. I just want to get them nice and soft, not like mushy, but like not falling apart, because I want some of the texture. And then after this gets a little, like this cooks down a little bit more, I'm gonna add in the tomato sauce, and then I'm gonna cook that down, and then we'll add in chicken stock to kind of loosen it up a little bit. Try to drain off as much of the fat as possible. And then to this, I'm gonna add some thyme, some pepper. And now I'm going to brown this sausage in here. trying to get one layer so that they get even brown. Salt. Add a little sugar.
Sugar?
Yeah. Have some Charleston's own seasoning. I get this from the Fields Farm. And some garlic powder.
Garlic. More garlic.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna add a little chicken stock. Now usually in the restaurant kitchen, I would get 2 bowls, a big one and then a small one. I would put the small bowl into the big bowl and then have the corn this side, and then I would just go through it, cut like that, and then the corn will fall into the bottom big bowl. We're not gonna do that today. Yeah, trying not to make a mess.
Like if you don't get the cream corn, you're not eating it.
Yeah. Honestly, I think my favorite, like I think I told you before, my favorite thing from Halls is the Brussels sprouts.
Oh, their Brussels are great too.
Yeah. All done. I wish the smokiness, the smokiness in the okra was a little bit more prominent, but it's alright. I like it though.